Hi, Sarah.
Hello, Alex. Thank you for guiding us today.
Are you enjoying your time in our city so far?
Yes, it's been wonderful. This castle is amazing. How old is it?
This castle dates back to the 12th century. It has quite a rich history.
Wow, that's impressive. Who lived here back then?
It was originally built by the king's family and later served as a fortress during various wars.
That's fascinating. Did people really live inside those tiny rooms?
Yes, indeed. They were much smaller back then compared to our modern homes.
I can't imagine living in such a place. It must have been very different.
Absolutely. Life was quite different centuries ago. Shall we move on to the next part of the castle?
Yes, please. I'm eager to see more.
All right. As we walk through these corridors, notice the intricate stone carvings on the walls.
They're so detailed. Did they mean anything special?
Many of these carvings depict scenes from the lives of royalty and important historical events.
It's like walking through history.
Exactly. That's the beauty of visiting historical sites like this castle.
Is this part of the castle open to the public all year round?
Yes, it's open daily except for a few holidays.
How many people visit here each year?
Around 500,000 tourists come to explore the castle annually.
That's a lot of people. I'm glad we came early to beat the crowds.
It's definitely quieter now. Shall we head up to the tower for a panoramic view of the city?
Absolutely. That sounds fantastic.